I'm Sarai with Kalos Services. You may know us as your favorite AC company. We also do plumbing, electrical, pool heating, all for residential. Now, not only do we care about your home, but we also care about your well-being, especially for storm season. A couple important things you're going to need to prepare for storm season is food and water. You'll need a gallon per person per day, but we recommend 2 weeks worth just to be safe. A couple other things you're going to need are non-perishable food items, canned goods, and a manual can opener on hand. Other things you're going to need: extra gas, extra cash, a flashlight, a hand-cranked radio or a battery-operated radio, and extra batteries on hand at all times. Moving on to our most important item you'll need to prepare for storm season: a first aid kit. Thanks. Now, a normal store-bought first aid kit will typically have your commonly used items like Band-Aids, bandages, safety scissors, pain relievers. But we also recommend having feminine hygiene products on hand, cold medicine, allergy medicine, and if you have any prescriptions, to make sure you fill them beforehand. Now, to get a complete list of items you'll need to prepare for storm season, you can go to our blog at www.kalosflorida.com/hurricane-checklist. Stay safe.
My idea was I want to throw it to you.
Thank you. Thanks. Now, for a complete list, you can go to, why did I put it down? I wanted to start all over anyways. Thanks. Brian, you're messing me up. I'll just wait till he passes.
Wait, we were going to use you for the part where we were like, you should have extra cash, and we were going to go.
Extra cash? A few other important things that you should have on hand is a hand-cranked or battery-operated radio, extra batteries, gas, extra cash. Throwing me off, Brian is. Not you, Eric, you're doing great. A couple other things you're gonna need are non-perishable food items like a can opener, like canned goods.
Ooh,
Thanks.
that was
Thanks for your patience.
I got nothing better to do right now.
You scared me. I thought you were...